The following is a short tutorial on how to embed a Google Calendar widget inside a D2L. So say you're using Google Calendar a lot and you don't want to use the D2L version. I'm going to show you how to quickly make a widget, and inside that widget put the Google Calendar that you're using. So to start, we got to make a widget. So we're going to go to Edit Course. Inside of Edit Course, we're going to click on Widgets. And in Widgets, you're going to see a blue button, and this is Create a Widget. So you're going to click on that. And for the sake of this, we'll call this widget Google Calendar. Now, when we save and close that, and we go back to our home page by clicking our class at the top, you're going to see that that widget isn't there. That is because you need to add it. So down here at the bottom, if you click on here, you'll see edit this home page. You'll only see edit this home page if you've made a copy of another home page, and there's a tutorial on that as well. So when you edit this home page, we're going to scroll down and we're going to add a widget. I'm going to add it above the news. So I'm going to write Google Calendar, and there's the widget that I made. So again, a widget is just a space on a web page. So I'm just going to add a space on my web page called Google Calendar. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Google Calendar and get what we call an embed code. And an embed code lets you see the calendar directly within that widget. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click on District School Board of Niagara. And you're going to see down the side there's all different calendars. I'm going to choose this calendar right here. This is the one that I want to embed in D2L. I'm going to click on these three dots, and I'm going to click on Settings and Sharings. Once I click on Settings and Sharings, if you scroll down and just keep scrolling, eventually you're going to see Integrate Calendar, and there is the embed code that you're looking for. But what I like is that you can customize it. So if I click on Customize, you can see down the left-hand side I have all sorts of options. One of the most important options is the width. So if we were going across the full page in D2L, the width would be 900. We're going to go right above the news feed, so that's around 650 pixels wide, and you can also set the height, right? So it could be a little long, so I'm going to say 600 by 500. You're going to see that you can knock out certain days, you can change different background colors, all sorts of options, right? But once you're done doing that, you're going to take this code right here. So you're going to copy this, highlight this whole code, and you're going to copy it. Now it's a pretty intimidating looking code, but essentially it functions just like a link. So once you copy it, you're going to go back to D2L and you're going to go to your Google Calendar and you're going to go to edit this widget. Once in edit this widget, you're going to go to content. Anything we want to do within a widget, it has to be done in the content section. And you're going to see under insert stuff, where we usually bring in videos and links, if you scroll down just a little, you're going to see enter an embed code. Now embed code is just that really fancy link that you just copied. You're going to paste it in there and hit next, and then you're going to hit publish, and from there I like to center things up. I think it looks good. And then I'm going to click Save and Close. And if I were to click on my class name at the top to bring me back to the home page, you're going to see that I have that calendar built directly into D2L. And if I was to make changes on that calendar, it would make changes on the calendar that we see in D2L. So that's a short tutorial on how to embed a Google Calendar inside of D2L.